And I want to say something to you guys. Okay, one thing you need to realize is everything when it comes to currencies is time and price. Okay, it's time and price. So you have to allow time to do what it wants to do, and then price. Okay, so time means that London, sorry, not that one, London or New York. So if London does not give you a reversal, you have to sit on your hands and wait till New York, because if we've not hit New York, there's no way reversal is going to happen. And to use this pair as an illustration, I was anticipating a reversal and London didn't give it, so you have to wait till the New York session, so that during the New York session, price will give you what you're looking for. Okay, so when I said sit on your hands, wait, be patient, what I'm trying to say is everything is time. So when the right time comes, the thing itself will move. Okay, that's how the AI is programmed, or the quote unquote the smart money entities. Okay, that's what they deal with. Smart money entities, that's what they deal with. They deal with time. Okay, so when it's lunchtime, which is roughly now, New York, that's the time they are on their desk to trade. That's when they are physically putting money in the market to push price around. So it's either they're doing it during the London time, which is that 7 a.m. in the morning till 10. During that time period, if you miss a move, that's it. You have to wait till New York. You have to wait till 1. That's when the next big move is going to happen. And that big move is going to happen between 1 and usually 3, and then maybe 4. And after that, big moves are done. Okay, so this is not random. If you take note of the time, what time is it? 1, and then price has 10 around. Okay, and hopefully this is a 10 around in price that is going to lead price to the upside, and we can get potential buys.